Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Jeep Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive. Stock number B8902B. Only 10,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Brilliant black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Cherokee seats 5, leather interior, not only low miles, but very clean, of course. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Easy to read gauges with driver information system. Again, only 10,000 miles. Cruise control. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Great for those cold winter days. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional storage under the front passenger seat, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, power moonroof, and power sunshade control, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this Cherokee is a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB8902B to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.